So dear students, the another account which is very important for a 6 marks or a 7 marks question, that is preparation of a memorandum of trading account. By preparing memorandum of trading account, you have to find out the sales or purchases or any opening stock or a closing stock. These missing information they have given. So you have to find out that by preparing memorandum of trading account. Now I will take a few problems which they are asked in the previous year question papers, and I will show you that how you have to prepare a memorandum of trading account. So now the first question now, from the following information, you are required to determine the amount of total sales. Then you have to prepare memorandum of trading account. See, opening stock, purchases and closing stock. And the rate of gross profit on sales is 20%. History information ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Let us prepare a memorandum of trading account. So opening stock is start the debit, so there is trading account start the opening stock. There is two opening stock 80,000 and two purchase, there is debits expenses. Purchases after returns, there is 4 lakh. And next closing stock will go to credit side. Then here they wanted to so calculate that sales. Then they are given the rate of gross profit. It indicates that you have to find out a gross profit by using the rate of this GP. Now therefore, to gross profit, we need an amount for calculation of gross profit. Here they are not given a sales or a cost. Then we need to apply a simple formula. There is a cost of goods sold equals a opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Based on the information, so opening stock here 80,000 and the purchase here 4 lakh, and the minus closing stock is 70,000. The balance is 4 lakh 10,000. This is a cost, total cost now. Therefore, a gross profit will be a 4 lakh 10,000 into, that is 20% on sales equals to a 25% on cost, or a 1/5 on sales equals to 1/4. So 1/4 will be calculated. See, my dear students, so 4 lakh 10,000 into 1/4, you will get 1,02,500 rupees. Okay, or you can calculate this 25% of 4 lakh 10,000. You will get 1,02,500 rupees. Then just make the total now. 80,000 plus 4 lakh plus 1,02,500 will get 5,82,500. And credit side is only 70,000. Therefore, 5,82,500 minus 70,000. The balancing figure, that is sales, that is total sales, is 5,12,500 rupees. So even 6 marks question. I will take one more question now. Ascertain the value of stock at the beginning, that is opening stock. Then opening stock or closing stock, sales ಅಥವಾ purchase na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು memorandum of trading account prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore, see here the purchase they are given, that is debit side 1,20,000. So opening stock you need to find out. Opening stock you need to find out. So then direct wages, that is 80,000, and sales is 5 lakh. And stock at the end, that is closing stock. At the end is closing stock, that is 45,000. And the rate of GP, 25% on cost. Then you have to find out a gross profit. To gross profit is, so they are given a profit rate on a cost, but we are having a sales. Therefore, we need to convert this a profit rate on cost into a profit rate on sales. Therefore, a gross profit is 5 lakh into 1/5, or 25% on cost equals to 20% on sales. So 5 lakh into 20%, you'll get 1 lakh. Now just make the total now. The credit side will get 5,45,000 and debit side is, you will get a 3 lakh. Then the difference is a 2,45,000. So that is opening stock. So 2,45,000, that is opening stock. So ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು memorandum of trading account prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು based on the question. Now I will have one more question now. From the following information, calculate opening stock. Same question now. See my dear students, purchases, that is expenses debit side 55,000. Sales, that is 1,25,000 credit side. And closing stock, a credit side 18,000. A manufacturing expenses is a production expenses, a debit side, just 12,000. Carriage inwards is a direct expenses, debit side, and the rate of gross profit was 25% on cost. So we're having a sales. So therefore, we need to convert this rate on cost into a sales. Therefore, a 25% on cost equals a 20% on sales. You know already how to convert this by things in a conversion table. See here, 1,25,000 into 1 by 5 or at 20% on 1,25,000, you'll get 25,000. Now let us make the total now. At credit side, you'll get 1,43,000 and debit side is you'll get a 14,000 shortage. The shortage of 14,000, we call it as opening stock. That is balancing figure. They asked to calculate a opening stock. So we have found that opening stock is 49,000 rupees. So this is how to prepare a trading account. That is memorandum trading account. For finding out of this, I'm missing information like opening stock, a closing stock, a purchases, or a sales.